Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like Miley.
Baby, there's a shark in the water, but I need to get in. I need to cross the border. I need it. Oh, you know we ain't getting younger. We'll sink or we'll swim. Baby, are you with me? Oh, I've been doing it myself, but now I need some help. Ain't nobody know me better than you know me. I don't wanna drown tonight. So tell me would you dive with me? Tell me would you dive with me? So tell me would you dive with me? Tell me would you dive with me? So tell me would you dive with me? Darling, there's a storm coming. I feel the winds blowing. I'm heading for the horizon. I need it. Oh, all around the waves are getting steeper.
Caralho! Puta que pariu! Puta que pariu, cara! Nossa, mano! Puta que pariu, eu ganhei arma com uma caixa, velho! Nossa, meu Deus do céu! Ganhei uma arma do Mecânico por uma caixa, cara! Nossa, meu Deus, velho! Puta que pariu, mano! Crossfire! Nossa, cara, uma caixa, mano! Puta que cagada da porra, meu! Mano, cara. Putz, velho. Nossa, mano do céu, velho. Quer ganhar outra, velho? Ô, isso foi uma cagada da porra, velho. Não sei como, mano, mas... Caralho, velho. Mas primeiro eu ganhei, né? Isso que é o bom. Tem essa, galera. Já deixa o seu like, galera. Você tá louco, mano. Uma caixa, mitei, velho, mitei. Agora eu não ganho mais nada, pode ver. Se eu ganhar, eu bagaço tudo aqui no meu computador.
Tell me would you dive with me?
Now you done heard a lot of talk about me and my niggas. Them outlaw worldwide mob figures. From triumph to tragedy, to right back on top, and niggas still mad at me for pushing that big truck on 24 square feet in ATL, getting lockjaw. Now that's what my nigga got shot for, being too motherfucking raw for these fuck boys. See the darkness, see the light, he wanna kill it. Misery loves company, and that's the real shit. But in 2005, I'm on some kill shit. For a nigga sneak up on me and peerless. I'm taking a stand with Mac in hand. Wrong killer, like them niggas in Pakistan. It's simple, gotta get him before I die. Like the old West, now we low tax to ride.
I know mama, you did your best in raising me. Now your baby done became a G. When I'm out in the streets, only one that got me is me. I keep my hand up on my heat. Cause you know mama, you didn't raise no bitch. So if a nigga wanna get at me, I'll be out in the streets, my thing cop. Cause really all I got in the end of the day is me. Real
Every day is a new challenge. I'm a savage in my New Balance. A lot of rappers, but not enough raw talent. Playing the machine, but fuck it, I'm a hustler, bitch. So we start our own label, selling bricks legit. Power to the people. A lot of power in my pencil. We the hope for the hopeless, a voice for the voiceless. Outlaw soldiers, we still in the game. Years later, less members, but the feeling the same. Straight from the heart, we making them all. Live for the day, don't wait for them all. Haters getting me wrong. I seen the streets rap sheets around the toughest of niggas. I seen prison put religion in the roughest of niggas. They say gangsters don't live that long. Too many turncoats, that's fucked up. Putting cuss on your throat. Coincidental, the outlaws instrumental in raising the thug nation. We influential.
Did your best in raising me. Now your baby done became a G. When I'm out in the streets, the only one that got me is me. I keep my hand upon my heat. Cause you know mama, you didn't raise no bitch. So if a nigga wanna get at me, I'll be out in the streets, I think cause really all I got in the end of the day is me. Real talk.
Yeah, my mother ain't made no sucker. Raised in the gutter, I'm a made motherfucker. All I know is get paid, motherfucker, all day, motherfucker, one way or another. And ain't nobody nowhere that can stop me. Call me cocky, you tennis, I'm hockey. Mix a little bit of Pocky with Black Rocky, and my pops, you got me. Real talk, I never took a straw unless it was a fault. I'm stressing, ain't my fault. And I walk these dogs, I'm a soldier. Don't you wanna be like me when you grow up? A man of honor, comma, good karma. Niggas want drama, I got the problem solver. Big ass Sid, that's that shit. Plus a bully, that's a fully automatic.
Mama, you did your best in raising me.